Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to discuss on how we can make a field invisible in Odoo 16. For that, let me go to the XML view of my custom module. So if you go here to the custom module, you can see some fields that I have defined in the form view of this custom module. So let me make one of the field invisible. So let me go to the XML page. That is the XML page of the custom module in which I have made changes. So I'll add the attribute invisible and I'll make it as true. So as you can see that I have added the attribute invisible, and you can see different examples if you search the attribute. And if you go to the front end here, and if you go to the apps, and let me just upgrade the app after running the code. So once I've run the code here, you go to the form view, you can see that the field is not seen in the view because we have given the attribute invisible equal to true for the field code. And now let me just go to the XML view again, and I'll show you how to give the attribute based on condition. So let me just give the code from here. So I'll be giving the code, and let me just delete this. So after giving the code, let me run the code, and here I have given the condition where the name field should be true. So once the name field is true, the code field will be invisible. So if I go to the front end here and go to the apps, and I need to upgrade the app. So let me just upgrade the app. And after upgrading the app, you can go to the custom module, and if you try to create a new one, you can see the code field is visible here because the name field is false. And now if you give some data to the field, you can see it is now not seen in the view because we have given the condition to be made invisible when the name field is true. So this is how you give a field the attribute invisible and make a field invisible in Odoo 16. That's all for today. Thank you.